vintage museum here. Up here I have a wonderful northwestern vending machine. Solid machine here. You can see this at the top is a solid metal there. This one ain't got a key there, you can't get a key in there, you have to get a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver to get that out. But it's already loose, so I'll just pick it up. This is so heavy, it's so heavy. Just pick that bolt off the floor. Where's it gone? Hit me the bolt. There's the bolt, that's the top bit. So you've got to get a screwdriver in there to undo it. You can get a lock off eBay for pretty cheap if you look around. This vends on 20p, so that's a UK 20 pence there. I love the noise of these things when you turn it, you know, cracking noise. And there's no toys in there, so you wouldn't be getting any toys out of here today. The door is solid, look at the door on that. This is all the coin mechs. This is a metal. There's nothing weak on here. This is a solid machine. See the whole thing turn? So your capsules will go on there and it'll fall down that hole over there. Kaboom! Try that again. Right, I'll open that in a second. This is like a perspex glass. It's not real glass. It's plastic, hard plastic. There's some chroming for the sides there. This is a metal. In the front, it's got some nice texture there. It's lovely. Behind it, it measures roughly, I think it's about 10 inches wide and 30 inches tall. It's quite a long machine. It's a northwestern vending machine. These were out, I'd say it probably dates back from 1970s, 1980s maybe. It's a lovely machine, great machine. Back on there again, it can be tightened up. This one's out of an arcade, out of the old arcades. It hasn't been in use for a long time. Let's open it up. I'm not going to open the top bit because there's nothing you can see through it. That opens like that. If you want to hold the camera, so just hold it like that. I've got to open the top first, and then the bottom opens. There we go. As you can see, the coin mech is solid. It's big. Stick that there. You got your door. It's supported by, you got two springs there. So you can undo that one there if you don't want it to, because that can trap someone's finger in there, you know, some child's finger. Yeah, your capsules will roll down there, out of the door and into your hand. When you vend the machine, so your 20p's are going to go into this little storage cash box here. And get the camera, you can go in there a bit, it's really big. And that's all there is to this machine.